fighting a cold, dealing with some congestion in the chest, you want to tap along the lung here. You're trying to break up some of that phlegm that's in there, and once you do that, you might start feeling like you're coughing and getting some phlegm up, and that's good. You want that stuff out. And then you want to come down the inside of the arm. This is the lung channel, and these are the nerves that go to the lung. And if you find a particular tender spot, keep tapping that. Go all the way down to the thumb. This area a lot of times is tender when you have stuff going on in the lung. Grab that, and then go to the other side. And if you have someone that can tap the back of the lungs for you, that'll help break some of that stuff up too.